I got a gem for you today. This is a 2007 Ford Crown Victoria with the police interceptor package. She's all blacked out, ready for the track. You just got to fix the previous racer's damage. Crunch. It's a nice fire engine red color. Blacked out wheels. At least one of them. She hit a crosswalk pole, the pole that holds the light. A little scrapage over here. Otherwise she was alright. Yeah, that's from this accident. She was really clean, well, cigarette butts. But overall, not too filthy. I actually got a twofer for you. Go check out this other one. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna try to sell it to you. Let's just look at it. This one, she hit a backhoe. The driver was wasted. I was informed. He got out and ran away. I found that to be amazing. There's your culprit right there. Don't drink. I don't even know what Crown Royal is. I don't drink. Leave it in the comments what kind of liquor Crown Royal is. But I do like those bags. I'd probably buy the liquor, dump it out just to get the bag. Find out what year she is. Chevrolet Traverse. Not the first time he's messed it up. She is a what year? Oh, there it is in the corner. 10th month of 16th year. So after changeover, it's a 17. Yeah, I know I took my finger off early. Gonna have to blur it out. Oh well. Crunched it up. Gave it a nice split hood here. There's an engine in there somewhere. Looks like it's over on the passenger floorboard. Okay. Look at that. The stereo's still working. Wonder if we can get a screenshot or a thumbnail out of this. Yeah, I'm gonna take a regular picture for that. Folded up the headliner. She's still got power. I'll bet you, no, that engine's toast. Moral of the story, don't hit a backhoe.